Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft servers are down problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, first all you need to do, just type here background apps, click on it. Now just turn off the first option here, turn off this option and then close this window, and after that open File Explorer, go to this PC and go to local disk, and after that go to Windows, scroll down until you find here System 32, and once you're here all you have to do, just type here etc and click enter and then click on it, and that's it. Here just create a new folder and name it backup, just for backup, and then just replace this folder, replace it here, click continue, and that's it. As you see, now all you need to do, just try again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.